A few months ago, I ordered a pair of crochet kits from Teeny Tiny Knits on Etsy, and the package arrived all the way from Shropshire, England. Here we have Terry the Toast and Penelope the Pancake. Pleased to meet you both. Today we're going to make Terry. Terry's kit contains yarn, stuffing, a package that included a keychain ring, a pair of safety eyes, another piece of yarn, brown thread, and a needle, a set of instructions, a 3mm crochet hook. As I began to make this keychain, I noticed some things in the pattern that concerned me. First, the instructions say to make double crochets, but when reaching the end of the row and turning, it only said to chain 1. Usually, I would chain 2 at the end of a row of double crochets, but I thought, maybe I'm wrong. It turns out I was right about being wrong, but not in the way I thought. At this point, I noticed my stitches seemed very big and loose compared to the stitches in the picture. That's when I realized my mistake. In crochet, there are 2 sets of terms, US terms and UK terms. This kit is from the UK, so it's using UK terms, and a UK double crochet is equivalent to a US single crochet. So I was making double crochets when I should have been making single crochets. Womp womp. Just gonna start over. Nothing to see here. Carry on, carry on. I made 2 pieces of toast per the instructions and added a little face to one. Hello there. Partway through sewing these 2 toasts together, I decided I wasn't happy with the mouth, so I stopped and I resewed it. Much better. Finally, I stuffed, finished sewing the 2 together, and added the keychain. Terry the toast is a delight, and I hold him in the highest regard.